Chrome Remote Desktop Review, the pros and cons. Chrome Remote Desktop is without doubt one of the hottest distant entry functions accessible without cost. It's fast to arrange, it's simple to make use of, and offers a secure connection between distant computer systems. Chrome Distant Desktop is greater than sufficient if all you want is connecting to your individual gadgets from time to time, or serving to a member of the family or a good friend with a fast PC repair. However, what for those who are beginning out an IT help enterprise of your individual and wish to help a bigger variety of distant customers exterior your community? Will Chrome Distant Desktop suffice? Let's dive in and think about a few of the key professionals and cons of utilizing Chrome Distant Desktop. Professionals. 1. It's free. 1. Like several of different proprietary distant desktop companies, Chrome Distant Desktop comes freed from cost. 1. You don't need to spend a single greenback on industrial software in case your wants are restricted to accessing your individual gadgets on the go or remoting right into a good friend's PC. 2. It's fast to arrange. 2. You don't need to be tech savvy to run Chrome Remote Desktop in your PC. 2. You probably have Chrome browser put in on it, then you definitely are nearly all set. Cons. 1. No built-in chat. 1. Constructed in textual content, chat is without doubt one of the key options of an excellent distant help utility, as you'll clearly have to alternate messages with the distant person in actual time to keep away from any miscommunication. 1. Certain, you should utilize Google Hangouts for that, however that's removed from being handy. 2. Chrome browser is required. 2. Should you're not a fan of Google Chrome, which is believed to be fairly resource consuming, then Chrome Distant Desktop isn't for you, because it doesn't work with some other browsers. 2. In addition to that, you'll want a Google account to make use of the applying. 3. No drag and drop, file switch. 3. There are lots of conditions that place you would possibly have to ship a file to the distant PC. 3. Whereas many third-party distant desktop instruments, corresponding to FixMe, IT, permit you to drag and drop information onto the distant desktop in the identical manner you progress information by your self-display screen, Chrome Distant Desktop fails to do the identical. 4. Lack of ability to reboot the distant machine and robotically reconnect. 4. That is one other very important function to have with regards to supporting customers remotely. 4. It permits you to reboot the distant PC even within the person's absence and robotically reconnect without having to finish the energetic session. 4. Learn this post to study extra about the advantages of utilizing distant reboot. 5. No multi-monitor help. 5. In truth, Chrome Distant Desktop does permit to view a number of distant screens in your display screen. 5. The dangerous information is that the entire distant screens of the machine you're related to can be crammed into your show, and also you receive it have the ability to conveniently navigate between them. 6. No multi-session dealing with. 6. Chrome Distant Desktop merely can't deal with dozens of simultaneous connections with completely different community settings, which makes it unsuitable for viewing/controlling a number of gadgets. 6. Tech Online's FixMe IT, in Flip, permits you to run an infinite variety of concurrent classes and simply change between them within the course of. 6. In addition to that, FixMe IT enables you to open multiple remote desktop windows and even switch information between completely different distant machines. Conclusion. Whether or not it's accessing your individual gadgets on the go or sharing your display screen with a good friend or member of the family, Chrome Distant Desktop is a superb software that's free and straightforward to make use of. Nevertheless, in case your aim is to ship high-quality distant tech help, you'd think about third-party functions corresponding to FixMe IT. Chrome Distant Desktop is solely not that feature-rich to function a full-blown enterprise.